Hello everyone, my name is Tarun Sapra and I am representing the PMT2 department. I am heading a PMT2 department. Or before we proceed further, today I would like to just give you a brief introduction about the Venus Remedies Limited as a whole. So dear all, Venus Remedies is basically a research-based Indian multinational pharmaceutical company, and we are present in more than 70 countries across the globe, and we are basically a research-based Indian multinational pharmaceutical company. Now if we look into the core focus area, अगर Venus का हम core focus area देखें तो Venus Remedies कौन से focus area में present है? तो main core focus area is the antimicrobial resistance. So we have a strong pipeline of antibiotics, and we have developed the innovative technologies and innovative incremental innovations. We are basically working on the countering the challenge of antimicrobial resistance. नाउ जब हम एंटीमाइक्रोबियल रेजिस्टेंस की बात करते हैं, दिस इज वन ऑफ द ग्लोबल चैलेंज, और एंटीमाइक्रोबियल रेजिस्टेंस के कारण एज ऑन डे टुडे, एज पर द डाटा गिवन बाय द वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, by 2050 approximately 1 crore people are likely to die because of the antimicrobial resistance, and this is really a global threat as of now. So to counter this challenge, Venus Remedies is working on the innovative concept of antibiotic resistance breakers. Now as the name suggests, antibiotic resistance breaker, these are the compounds or substances which we are giving along with the antibiotic to break the resistance barrier posed by the bacteria. Now this is an innovative concept where we are basically increasing the lifespan of existing antibiotic pipeline. Now second core focus area on which the Venus Remedies is working, that is the oncology. Where people are working on the targeted anti-cancer drugs therapies. Now if we look into the mission, तो हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो मिशन का जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है, दैट इज टू फोस्टर द इनोवेटिव थेरेपीज टारगेटिंग द antimicrobial resistance. So this is the main core focus area. This is the first point of the mission of the Venus Remedies Limited. Now coming to the next part, if you really want to know more about the Venus Remedies, I have given the link in the description that visit our website, that is www.venusremedies.com, and I will also request you to go through our video, that's the corporate video. The link of the same is given in the description also. So this is all about the Venus Remedies. Now when it comes to the PMT2 department, now PMT2 department is having a total 3 members. We are having 3 members including me. I am heading this department, and our target segment that we people are working on the physician segment, where the IPD segment, that is the indoor patient segment, doctors are we are covering, and the surgery segments. So this is all about the introduction about the Venus Remedies and PMT2 department as a whole. Thank you.